Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through creating a simple digital product using Canva's AI tools. This tool is excellent for creating and designing your unique product swiftly, taking only a few minutes. Once you're logged into Canva, click on Write My First Draft. It will redirect you to this page. Don't be concerned about its initial appearance, I will show you how to modify it as we progress. In the Magic Write box, you can compose a prompt that thoroughly describes your product or document. The more detailed you are, the better the results. Don't hesitate to go into extensive detail. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, simply click on Generate. In about a minute, your content will be drafted professionally, precisely following your instructions. The tool handles the heavy lifting for you. Once it's done, you can go ahead and click on Insert, and it will add everything to your document. Now, simply review the content and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it meets your satisfaction. Once you've finished reviewing, you can click on Magic Switch in the top menu. Here, you will find three options. The first translates your document into another language. The second transforms your document into a different format. Options include blog post, LinkedIn post, presentation outline, executive summary, and many more. Today, we'll focus on the third option, which will convert your document into a presentation. You'll find a variety of template styles available, or you can select one tailored to your brand's identity. By clicking on a style, you can view a preview of it. When you're ready, simply choose the style that best suits your needs. At this stage, you can adjust the document to align with your preferences and brand identity. If you're interested in learning how to integrate your brand into your designs, I have another tutorial linked in the description below. Now that you've finished, it's time to share, save, or download your document. To save it as a shareable template that others can use and edit, click on Share in the top right corner, then select See All. Next, click on Template Link. Note that this is a feature available to pro users. If you're using the free version, you can still share it by making the design shareable through a link. However, advise your clients to make a copy first to avoid editing the original version. To download your document, click on Share once more, then select the Download option. Choose the desired file type for saving your document. For this example, I will be choosing PDF Standard. And that's a wrap. Thank you for tuning in. If you're eager to dive deeper into digital marketing, explore more Canva tutorials, and discover digital products, head over to the link in my description for the Social Media Success Blueprint. It's an excellent resource to learn everything you need in the world of digital marketing and more, offering access to thousands of resources and done-for-you products.